So you guys were fast because Irvin didn't eat the map. What? Good morning. Good morning. We're going to Malaysia. You guys went to the... did you go last week? You went to...
Huh?
I gotta shut up later.
Okay, it keeps us going.
The plan is to start early. The reason is to avoid the scorching heat. Caveat is there will be no stores open at that time on the early part of the trek. That means we have to carry loads of fluid and nutrition. We will head 12 kilometers to Mount Malimod, then 4 kilometers down to Sitio Malasya and back.
We're at 5.75 kilometers. How many gain?
I don't know yet. The first concern is we lost the 3 of our members. When we say lost, they got lost. Just under 2 kilometers. Yeah. Beef, Keiko, and Ron, for some reason, went off path, which is strange because it's a single track. And we backtracked. We checked other routes. They weren't there. So we assumed they might have, by any chance, when we backtrack, they might have missed us and still pressed on to reach Ayaas, which is here. And from here, the plan is to call them because there's mobile signal here. And if there's nothing, I guess it's fair for us to go back and just do an easy run instead. Yeah, I guess the plan was supposed to be a 32-kilometer run to Malasya. But, you know, of course, safety first, friends first. And if we do find them, we'll have fun anyway. We can go to other routes. I mean, rather than staying home, right? I mean, we can joke about this later if you find them. Like, you know, it's better getting lost than staying at home. Yeah.
Look at the view, look at the view.
Okay, summit of Ayaas. So they're not here. I'm with Kevin, Choi, Kervin. They're not here apparently, so guys, it's sensible for us to go back. Hopefully they also make the right decision to go back to Wawa, and then from there, if we do find them, probably go to Parawagan. If we have energy and time, we can probably go to Kasile and Lima. I don't know. I don't know, but it's still far. If we do that, take us all day.
So we got lost, but we found our way thanks to... Thank you so much. Yeah, so super duper
timing, and we saw some breadcrumbs on the way, and we're like, hey, this must be Simon's poop. So we're following it.
Shucks, you're so worried. Sabi namin, baka na-injure kayo or something. Tapos we've been trying to call you guys.
Just when we decided to go back, they arrived. Apparently they missed a turn.
We got probed.
You guys were abducted this time.
Let's take a group picture.
So it looks like we're going to Malasya after all.
Yes, yun lang.
Alright, they're here. Just when we decided to go back, they appeared. So it looks like we're pushing Malasya under time pressure. It's gonna be hot, but it's gonna be scenic. We'll take the challenge. End of trail, 17 plus km. Finally, we're happy that we pushed it, and we're going back. It's cloudy, that's the good news, so we're not really dehydrated, but we're kind of thirsty and hungry too. But long break here, we just wait for everyone and then go back. Cheers.
Hush, little darling, don't say a word. I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird. Say, darling, say.
Cold out.
And if that mockingbird don't sing, I'm gonna buy diamond ring. Yes, and I
Ano
know
masasabi mo sa Happy Toothpaste?
that diamond ring. Yes, I know
Happy siya.
that diamond
Ano masasabi mo
ring
sa Happy Toothpaste?
is gonna shine.
Happy Toothpaste.
Darling, if you'll marry me, I'll buy you a house with a big oak tree. Say, darling, say, we'll live in the house with the big oak tree. 3 little babies on your yes, and I know that diamond ring. Yes, I know that diamond ring is gonna shine.
Slippery. Congrats, bro.
Bros.
Yeah! Woo!
So hush, little darling, don't say a word. I'm gonna buy you a mockingbird. Say, darling, say